We are going to learn how you can make your ideas realistic and live in this world using a very fantastic tool called Lovable. So let's get started. This is the landing page of Lovable, very simple. Here you can start typing your ideas, but we have to log in first. It is showing what you can do with this particular tool. We will explore by doing, not by just reading, right? I will hit get start or login. I am doing everything for fresh. I am using a new account. So it will be very easy for you to follow the steps and nothing will be pre-configured, right? So I will log in. I will log in with Google because that's the best option I think I can find out. Okay, now the main thing is here. You will in the left side you will see the menu where you can see home, search, resources. You will see all the recent projects here. You can see all the projects by clicking here. You can see starred project here. You can see all the project which is shared here. Means someone shared with you or you shared with someone, right? Here is the like basic marketing stuffs. Here is the inbox. Here you can see all the templates. You can pick any template if you want. We will go from scratch, and this is the main the like center of attraction where we are going to write our prompt and build the steps. Here you can see you can also like not only type, you can like speak if you want. If you click on the like plus button, you can attach, like if you have some designs and attachments like PDF where you have client requirements or all the things. There are connectors. You can connect with the database like Superbase, MCP servers, and manage connections here. A lot of advanced stuffs. I think as a beginner you don't have to need a lot of things, but if you want to go in the advanced stuffs, these are the advanced stuff you can go with. One thing I also want to mention, if you like click on the plan mode, it will automatically now answer your questions instead of executing. Like if I turn it off, it will be executing, it will be in agent mode by default, it will be doing things for you. But if you are like click on it, it will be not doing the work, it will be answering like ChatGPT is answering. I hope all these things make you familiar and it's not like something new. And I think most of the tool are similar, like they have a chat window where you can write out and a few things changes like these things and other stuff. By the way, you can hide it from here, and if you want you can click here again. Okay, so here is the prompt. So what we are going to build today, we are going to build a life OS. Yes, life operating system where I can manage everything, my goals, my habits, my journaling, my sticky notes, and everything, right? For that, this is the prompt we are going to use. Yes, the prompt is looking bit big, but here are the basic things like build a modern minimum life OS dashboard web using HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript requirement. I have given all the requirements, sections, and all the stuff which is needed in your idea. You can pause or read the entire prompt to understand, but the basic formula is giving the idea, all the features it want, and how you want the outcome look like. I am okay, Lovable creating my UI, but if I want a specific type of UI, I can directly upload pictures from here and it will create UI like you really want, right? Giving a good prompt is very important. You can chat with any LLM like ChatGPT, give your idea, and then can ask the prompt from that AI and put it here. Prompt engineering is very important skills. I have created a very detailed video. You can check out that video. It can really help you out. But I hit enter, so it is start building. Okay, now it redirecting us to a new window where we can see a lot of things. And I will explain you each of things. Don't worry if you are like feeling confused. In the left section, we have all the stuffs where we can write, ask, upload images, plan mode, and here we can also give like proper instructions. Like we can add here GitHub, we can give knowledge. What is knowledge? You can tell us about your project. Use this type of things only, right? Giving a knowledge base. Connectors, again I explained you already. Adding references, adding images. You can see the history. You can also see the history from here by clicking here. If you can make it collapse, you can open it again. You can close it from here. You can open it again from here. Here is the preview. If you want to look at the code, I think there is an option here where you can check out the code. This one is for design. I never use it. If you are building an AI where you need AI APIs, Lovable is giving their own AI which you can start. It's like free in start. You can pay as you go. Very good use case, I think, and especially if you are building backend application or AI applications. Here you can just see the analytics, like how many views your website get. Let's go to the by default view where is the preview mode, where we will see all the outputs in the real time, like in the UI. Here you can upgrade your, from here you can publish. You can also like add custom domain if you have pro subscriptions. For building that much you don't need pro subscription, I think, but I have tried the pro subscription. It's also good if you want to add custom domains or you want higher limit. As you can see here, you can see the credit limit. Every day it will give you 5 credits, and I think you can like prompt 5 or 6 times for in 5 credits, and after that you can see all the other things here. Also you can see a lot more things which you can like go change the theme and a lot more steps. From here you can refresh the page. From here you can go to the another directories, like we go in the normal website. Let's suppose your website have blog section, you can write here blog and hit enter, it will go to the blog section. From here you can open the website in a full preview mode. One more thing, you can also connect with a GitHub, so you have the code track record there. And now our project is ready. And I don't know if you have heard the sound, but it's giving a sound after the task is completed. Maybe you are watching a video and you can put it on work, and once it's done it will make a sound, so you know that it's working. Now it's finally open. Oh, it look cool. I really like it. Let's see how it look. Oh my god, it's good. Let's figure it out. If I added a daily task, let's add drink order. Oh, nice. It is like by default, if I hit enter, it is like adding. Good, good. Can I edit it? Oh no, I can't. Okay, this is how it working. I can delete. Here you can say it's like automatically tracking this. What about habits? Let's see. Gym. I want to. Okay, nice, nice. So now if you want to click on a habit, you can like click on like Tuesday. But if you tried in the Wednesday, it will not work because today is Thursday, right? Let's see for goals, say 100k subs. By the way, if you are not subscribing, please subscribe so we can hit that goal. Oh my god, it's so cool. We can do this. Can you see it? It's looking so cool, man. I don't think so weekly states are working that much. Maybe there is something a problem, but I'm going to use this is really cool. What if you want to update something, like if you visually want to update something, it's a there is a visual mode where you can go and select a visual part like this one. Like I can come here and I can ask Lovable to change this app, and I think I can also charge, like if that instead of daily task I can say task only, and I can from here save, or you can ask the AI to do that. It's pretty good, it's pretty amazing. From if you just want to change a very specific part of the part, right, from here you can prompt, like maybe I want a sticky notes also here, so I can say I want to add, I want to add a I want to add a section of sticky notes, and it will go and add the sticky notes collaborator. I don't need, I will publish my project later. Now let's see if it is able to add the sticky notes or not. But this is really good, I think. I really like the UI is looking good. It's not like generic UI, right? And weekly states are also not working. I forget to mention in this particular prompt that we need to make sure that weekly states are also working. But here you can see the sticky note is working. Let's come here. We have to refresh this. Cool, sticky notes are here. Let's test them out. Okay, cool. One thing I have noticed that now weekly states are working. Okay, we need a refresh, I think. Maybe. Test. And let's save them. Okay. Now looking cool. Okay, I can also change it. This is looking amazing. Okay. What happen if I refresh? Is it like saved somewhere? Yes, it's saving. It's I think saving in the local storage because I have not given access to Superbase or any database, but you can give. Like if you are coming here and want to like adding a login functionalities, it will do the work for you also. Like add a login, and it will like ask you to connect with the subpass and create all the stuffs for you, like explained you in the cloud. Now it's asking you like it's some question. Do you need to store user profiles such as username, display, and avatar? Yes, I want. I submitted. Okay, submit the answer. It's thinking. Now you can see the enable cloud, which I explained you earlier that what is it, built in backend, add LLM to your app, free start page, you scale where your project is hosted. You can change this one. Asia is good for me. Okay, so I enabled it. Right now it's working, and I hope it will like come up with the subpass or it will directly connect with that. Like the cloud feature is recently added in this Lovable. Before adding the cloud, we have to do the manual step of adding through the Superbase. But right now it's doing great job. It's like automatically creating profile table and RLS rules. But you can think how great it is. We don't have to do anything. Right now we have done nothing like outside the Lovable. That's the great thing of the Lovable. If you don't know anything about coding, you can still build the app. And the apps like this one, it's really working app, right? I can't even imagine how much time it will take if I want to build this out, right? Especially this project is not giving me a lot of money. This is helping me in my real life to solve my own problem. So we have to wait for a few minutes, I think, and then we will check the how it working. Cool. We have to check it out. Let me refresh, come here and refresh this one. Now as you can see, after implementing this, we need to log in now, sign up, login, sign in, and the entire thing is handled by Lovable. I hope this video makes sense for you. You can just try it out, this particular tool. But let me know if you want to build advanced stuff with the Lovable or want to explore the advanced sites. Like I can explore a lot more features here. There are tons of features like knowledge base and connecting with the GitHub, controlling the Git history. I don't know how much interested you are, but if you are someone who is really interested, comment it down and I will create a video where we build some advanced stuffs. There are tons of AI videos are already available on this YouTube channel where we are building stuffs and talking about a lot of AI. If you are someone who want to build or interested in AI, this channel is for you.